Hello, everybody. This is a real Ron again, and today I'm actually on the island of Saint Martin. But while I'm ashore, I wanted to share a little bit more information about our new product. Little Nessie is launching our social media platform, and here's the thing I want to speak to is how flexible our product is. And when I mean flexible, it's flexible on how much our clients want to participate. Some clients may want to set it and forget it. Like they pick their content, they pick their persona, and then they let us hand the branding and the marketing and the distribution, and it's completely automated. It's like they never have to touch a thing. Now, we don't recommend that, but we certainly accommodate that. Now, we also have clients that are going to want a high touch. They may want to send us videos every day. And we're all into that. We would love if our clients wanted to send us a video every day and let us produce it, edit it, let us do it long form, chop it up for a short form. We're happy with that. And so wherever you are on that spectrum, we can accommodate that. And that flexibility, I think, really strengthens our product. And so the best way for me to say this is the product building is going to meet you wherever you are in your online journey, in your visibility. And no matter wherever you are, we're going to help you show up and really amplify how you show up. So, with that, I'm going to turn it over to Avatar Ron, and he is going to do what is my normal content every day. I post every day. And so, we are just, we are role modeling our product with me. I hope you enjoy my content today. Thanks so much. Hi, everyone. It's Ron's Avatar again. Today, I want to talk about a topic that doesn't always get enough attention, but has a big impact on homeowners and potential buyers: the rising cost of home insurance. Axios recently highlighted where insurance costs the most and the least across the country. The national average annual premium is about $2,400 or just over $200 a month. But depending on where you live, that cost can look very different. In Louisiana, homeowners face the highest true cost, spending the largest share of their income on insurance. Vermont, on the other hand, comes in with the lowest relative cost. Bankrate dug even deeper into the issue and pointed out something that might surprise a lot of people. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining your home insurance costs. Homeowners with poor credit often pay dramatically higher premiums than those with good credit, even for the same coverage. That's because insurers factor in credit as a measure of risk. It means financial habits you might think only affect loans or credit cards can also affect something as essential as insuring your home. Why does this matter for us in mortgage and real estate? Because loan officers and real estate agents are on the front lines of America's financial literacy challenge. If clients don't understand how things like credit influence their total cost of homeownership, they could be blindsided by expenses they didn't plan for, and that makes our role as educators and advisors even more important. It's why I believe professionals in our industry should be leading with financial literacy, hosting workshops, seminars, and one-on-one conversations to help people understand the full picture. I also want to give a quick shout out to First Home IQ, who are doing incredible work in this space. At the end of the day, helping people navigate these challenges isn't just about closing more deals. It's about empowering families, improving financial resilience, and making homeownership sustainable. Thanks for listening. I'd love your feedback on how Ron's avatar did today. And if you're not already following me, I post content every day, sharing data, charts, and insights on housing, mortgage, and finance that I hope mortgage professionals, real estate agents, and even homeowners find valuable. You can follow me on LinkedIn and check out my videos on all the major platforms. Now let's turn it back over to the real Ron and the real Dave to learn more about Little Nessie. Hi, everyone. This is the real Ron back, and I'm with the real David. And so, David, I introduced today's avatar talking about the flexibility we have with the level of participation. I know you're super passionate about it, and I actually know you're a super purist. If you had your way, if there was no restrictions in the world, you would love everybody to live on video all the time, produce it, just be super elegant because you only have the highest standards in the world. But we're trying to accommodate everyone, and I know we're building a tool that can do that. But what's your thoughts on this level of participation? Your advice, suggestions? Because I know you're passionate about it.
Yeah, well, working with loan officers, real estate agents for the last 15 years, I know that whoever comes on board is a Little Nessie client. We're going to see people fall on both extremes, people that do have that set it and forget it attitude. And then the other extreme that people want to be super involved. They want to call the shots on every topic, which both are great. Well, the latter is great, but the other one's good as well. So for example, we can create these videos for you every single day without you being involved. But if you maybe you've got a funny story from dinner last night that had a tie-in to buying a house for your clients, that you could find some way to add humor into your stories in real life. Maybe you and your wife, you and your husband went to a ball game last night and something happened. You met someone. You can actually go into our platform, and with a few different cues, we can turn that into a script for you, into a finished, polished video. So yeah, I'm super excited. That's one of the things that I knew that when we launched this product, we had to accommodate all clients, regardless of where they fell on that spectrum. And we can even run it to where you get the video before it's posted for approval, or it just goes, and we of course have compliance and regulations in mind and have some cues for that, stop points for that. But if you're the kind of person that just doesn't want one more email to approve something, we can do that as well. So super flexible product, and I haven't seen anything like it yet. So
Yeah, that's great. And one thing, David, you're right. We are completely flexible, and we're going to meet our clients where they're at. And if they want to be set it and forget it, we're totally for it. The one best practice that we do see, it is useful if our clients approve every post, only so that they know what they're saying. So when somebody reaches out to them and talks about their post that day, that they can informed response, versus being surprised. So we would prefer that you approve it just so you're familiar with it. But if you want a total set and forget it, we're going to accommodate that.
yep, nothing else to add.
All right, everybody. We really appreciate you taking this journey with us while I'm out at sea in the Caribbean. We appreciate you learning about our product. We appreciate everybody that's been supporting us. And there's a ton of people that have been helping us, giving us feedback, collaborating. We appreciate all those partners. Try to connect with us on our socials. Go to littlenessie.com, check us out there, sign up, subscribe to our stuff. And with that, I can't wait to talk to you guys again tomorrow. David, thank you.
Yep, hope you're not too sunburned.
Yeah, exactly.